Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Does your computer run slower than usual? The lags are now frequent regardless of how many or how few apps you use. In this video, I will be guiding you through 5 easy fixes you can try to get your Windows 11 machine running smoothly again. Let's go. When you're stuck with a sluggish computer, consider restarting your computer before trying to troubleshoot. Sometimes, temporary glitches can slow things down, especially if your computer's been running for a long time and accumulated minor software issues. A simple reboot can often clear these up and get your PC running smoothly again. Another reason for slow performance can be background processes. These programs run silently in the background, consuming system resources and potentially slowing down your computer. To check for them, right-click your taskbar and open Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, take a look at the running programs. Focus on the tasks that consume the most CPU or RAM, and if you see something you're not actively using, right-click on it and select End Task. Repeat this for any unnecessary processes to free up system resources and potentially improve your computer's speed. Besides background processes, apps set to launch at startup can also drag down your computer's performance. To check for them, go to the Startup Apps tab in the Task Manager. If you see any programs you don't need right away, right-click and select Disable to prevent them from automatically starting when you boot up your computer. Your computer's disk space can also play a role in slow performance. To view your storage status, search for Storage Settings in the Start menu. Here, you can browse through each category and manually remove files or uninstall apps you don't use anymore. If you prefer a more automated approach, Windows also offers a built-in tool called Storage Sense. This acts like a smart cleaner, automatically deleting unnecessary files to free up space for you. Aside from your storage capacity, malware can also cause sluggish performance. If you frequently download files or applications from untrusted sources, you might have unknowingly picked up some malware or viruses that are slowing things down. The Windows Defender, which is your computer's built-in antivirus tool, is usually enabled by default to help prevent this. You can double-check its status by searching for Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Settings, and make sure Real-Time Protection is turned on so your downloads and installations are scanned automatically. If you prefer extra protection, you can also download a reputable third-party antivirus program and run regular scans for added security. After trying these fixes and your computer remains slow, it could be a sign that it's time to consider some hardware upgrades. Adding more RAM can significantly improve performance, especially if you're running multiple programs at once. Upgrading to a solid-state drive can also make a big difference. SSDs are much faster than traditional hard drives, which can lead to quicker boot times, faster program loading, and overall smoother performance. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.